can't take it anymore. I can't take it. I'm done. What is up, you guys? It's your boy Erik from Romeoville Toyota, your tech guru. We got another great video for today on Toyota Talk. Today we're going to be learning how to recalibrate our actual dash cam, and for reference we're going to be using our 2022 4Runner SR5 Premium. Now if you're just like me, you know that this camera can get immensely annoying, and I swear there was a few times where I almost just wanted to shoot myself in the head a few times. But just to actually mitigate that and for you to actually not do that, we're going to be learning how to recalibrate our camera and just making sure how to get rid of that annoying noise on there. So first things first, I know probably first thing looking around, just trying to see if everything's okay, make sure the car works. I know you're probably looking at your dashboard or your radio, but no, keep in mind that this is just the actual dash cam itself. It does that beeping every single time when you turn on the vehicle itself, but you want to locate what the actual problem is. So let me show you. So we actually have our dash cam right over here. We want to make sure that we actually move the actual rear view mirror itself. Now you can see that it actually started beeping a little bit. There's going to be a record and error light right there. The error light's going to be the one on top. That's going to be immensely annoying with the red. And the record button is going to be the one on the bottom, and it's going to be green. So we want to locate what the actual problem is. Now, for the most part, it's either because the SD card isn't completely all the way in, so there's an SD card right over here on the side. I'm going to pull that out. We want to make sure that we actually put it in all the way. And once you do that, it should stop the actual beeping, and you can see the actual record light came back on. And there you go. Now you get a solid green light. And that's how you get rid of the first one. Okay, but now that we got rid of that first one, let's say the issue's still there and the beeping's still going on. What do we do next? So to recalibrate the actual camera, if it's still beeping like that, we want to make sure that the vehicle is completely off. So I actually have the 4Runner completely off right now, as you can see. Dashboard. So what we want to do, as soon as it's off, we want to turn it on and make sure that we're actually clicking on that action button that I showed you earlier. So let me just zoom in a little bit for you guys. So we want to make sure that we hold on to the action button. Now let me show you once again. So hold on to it, and you're gonna hear a couple of fast beeps, and that's to let you know that the camera is actually fully calibrated now. Now once the camera is fully calibrated, you're going to hear this few beeps, and that's to let you know that it's calibrated. We want to make sure that we do that. The other way to actually get rid of that annoying noise is just clicking the action button itself, but you want to keep in mind that that's not going to get rid of the issue at all. It's going to keep beeping continuously every single time you turn off the vehicle and you get back into it. So what I recommend is just recalibrating the camera. If not, making sure that the actual SD card is in there. So yeah, thank you guys for sticking around for another Toyota Talk video today. I appreciate you guys. Just make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your family, and hopefully you share it with somebody who finds this video helpful. Take care, stay smooth, adios.